I was walking through the rain and thinking I should make a change, and then I heard a stopping train with speaking we. And it's never the right time to take a step out of the line, but the train came to remind me of what I feel. Starlings fly in all directions. I feel like they are my companions. Whoa, I once said this should be easy, and now I'm smiling at the irony, 'cause they often really pity me. Oh please, and the rain is pouring on the street. Can I walk as fast as my heart is beating? Gotta find that path that lies beneath my feet. Starlings fly in all directions. I think it's time for my resurrection. In their flight I can see redemption in the vision of my kingdom. Whoa, yeah, 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 through the rain and thinking I should make a change, and then I heard a stopping train with speaking we.